We're right on. All right, I'm gonna make us a drink. No. You're done?
Sure. It is good to go, and I put a new link on there, so I don't know why that other one kept popping off. Well, could be. I don't know. It's working now, so good to go. Can I get out this door? Thanks, sir. Oh. You guys ever want to leave me?
All right, I'm gonna stop this and restart and go and put some chats on private. I'll be back. And we'll drink. I'm gonna restart the chat because Telfer is at it again. I must have a chat up and don't realize it.
Somebody in your chat the other day said you fucked up and gave him a rant.
People say shit all the time. All right, hold on. I love you all. I'm gonna start back up. I'll be right back in like 5 minutes for cocktail hour. Love you, me. Ciao. Bye.
Cocktail.
All right. So, it's 2:32 p.m. on the 19th of March in the year 2020. And as we have all these things popping off, what I've done, I guess in the last 20 minutes, is turned in the flags for all the people that have harassed me in one solid stream to the YouTube bots. What they put the hex on me last night, let's put it that way, was to completely take down my YouTube channel and gave me a warning and told me I was using Katie Robey's intellectual fucking audio where she does nothing but hate and spellcast and do spirit cooking, and it was disgusting, combining raw bacon and keep searing it and cutting off the fat that she didn't want anybody to see. Oh my God. Cooking raw frozen vegetables with it. And of course that gives the parasites and worms plenty of time to sink in and do the boogie boogie. It was all very creepy. Now, I do know the network witnessed it all. My green light is on my computer, which means everybody's seeing everything. It's very violent out there in YouTube world and on the internet, and I hope that you all stay as safe as you possibly can. Now, at this point, Katie Robey knows, Miss Wonderful, and she is really wanted for high crimes, and she, oh, you just don't even know how bad this is. It all has to do with the Computer Misuse Act and the hacking of all of our channels. So as I go, I'll be documenting and being very careful on my phone. So with that, y'all take care of yourself. Peace out.